Today, I want us to talk about Kaizer Chiefs contract situation, Kaizer Chiefs players contract situation, the likes of Dylan Solomons. I have big updates for you on that, and then Kosing Pile Ngobo and other players. Big situation there, including Bruce Vuma, Thabo Cele, and also Sibongiseni Mthetho. And we will also touch on Oli Sanda situation, including Inasho Migwe. So make sure that you watch the full video, bafethu, and like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's jump straight into it together.
Goodness. Talk about a man on fire. Protect it. You're there, Paul.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. This is Consistent Podcast. This is where the Tola Corners Shisa. I am your host, Mangoba Ngobo, all the way from Ekre Sound Buffet. As usual, I have some news for you, Buffet. So let's just break them down. But make sure, before we do that, make sure to subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and also like the video, Buffet. Ungitshela ukuthi ucabangani nge-content enginiphathela namhlanje. Namhlanje bafethu I want us le video izoba yinde, so I want us to discuss about the players who will sign new contracts and also the players who are on the verge of leaving Kaizer Chiefs. So let's start with players who will sign or who might sign the new contracts. We all know that Dylan Solomon was his last season on his contracts last season. So they had option to Kaizer Chiefs have option to extend with one more further year. So the news coming out from SABC News, SABC Sports, Umazola stating that Kaizer Chiefs are on the verge of signing Dylan Solomon's new contracts. A player wants to extend a contract with one more further year at Kaizer Chiefs, like what George Matlo did, and also Kaizer Chiefs are also they also want to extend Solomon's contract for a further year. So this is not a full story, Buffett. So they are still in discussion, but very soon we will know ukuthi kwenzakalani ngendaba kaDylan Solomons, including uNkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo naye, who has one more further year on his contract. As we all know, ukuthi he has been here since the days of Happy Mashiane. So he is lucky because Kaizer Chiefs are discussing his situation, salary, and everything in his current contract, so that they can extend it with one more further year. Bafethu. I think these players are likely to stay at Kaizer Chiefs. I think Kaizer Chiefs really like Unkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo. Yeah, and I think they will also want to keep Solomons for the right back position in case we lack somewhere somehow. So bafethu, we allow udaba to comment down below ungitshela ukuthi do you like the contract renewal for Solomons and also Ungcobo. If not so, ungitshele izathu zakho. But there are some players who might leave Kaizer Chiefs in this transfer window. The players like Bruce Vuma, Thabo Cele, and also Omthetho. But we are not sure because the things that we saw is that Bruce Vuma has removed Kaizer Chiefs on his Instagram page. On his bio, there's no Kaizer Chiefs, but pictures are still there. Everything, but players like to mention their clubs on their bio, but Bruce Vuma has removed his Kaizer Chiefs in bio, including Uthabo Cele, also removed he removed Kaizer Chiefs on his bio, and also Sibongiseni Mthetho. So what do you think, guys? What do you think is happening? Are these players leaving the club, or these players actually maybe there were no Kaizer Chiefs on their bios? We are just assuming. So Buffett, don't come at me if these players end up not going. I'm just assuming that why they are removing their the Kaizer Chiefs in their bio on Instagram. the likes of Vuma, Thabo Cele, and also Ox Sibongiseni Mthetho. Do comment down below. Ungitshela ukuthi ucabanga ngani with the situation. Are these players leaving the club or there's something going on? Thina singayazi. Bafethu, there's been updates on Ole Sanda linked with Kaizer Chiefs. Many people on social are posting that Kaizer Chiefs want to sign Ole Sanda in case Inacio Miguel leaves Kaizer Chiefs because the likes of Simba and Raja Casablanca are after the signing of Inacio Miguel. They want him, but there are no like really true sources about these links stories. So don't come at me. If mina ngiphethe story bafethu engisazi ukuthi ngineshow ngaso, I will tell you and be definitely sure about it. But these ones I'm just assuming, and I just want us to talk about it on this platform because this channel was created for us to talk everything we want about Kaizer Chiefs. So do you want Ole Sanda just in case Inacio Miguel leaves Kaizer Chiefs? Would you prefer Ole Sanda to be his replacement, or Kaizer Chiefs should go and just sign another centre back, a foreign one or a local centre back to replace Inacio Miguel, or Ole Sanda is it will be a good replacement for him? And also, I'm not sure if Ole Sanda is qualifies to be a South African yo ukuba is umhlali wase South Africa. I'm not sure, but he's been here for like maybe 4 years, if I'm not mistaken. So he will come in at Kaizer Chiefs as a foreigner. So do you want us to waste foreign sports on defenders and goalkeepers like we did last season with Fia Krinswaro and Inacio Miguel, or we should just sign better players in the middle of the field and also forward? Do comment down below bafethu ningitshela ukuthi ngicabanga ngani content enginiphathele yona. Thank you for your support yenu. Please keep on supporting me. Watch the full video, subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to like the video. Thank you bafethu. See you on another one. Danko.